So now we need to know that from where we can get that opportunity. I hope I have no stream disconnection. Let me see. So far so good, but I got a bit disconnection as well. No problem. Everything, remember, we should be positive. Everything happens for a good cause. Yes, this is what I believe. Okay, this is what I believe. There are universal laws, my friends, and we need to follow them. We need to look at the market with a realistic point of view. The moment we leave our realistic perspective of the market, that same moment our losing streak starts. Yes, this is true. Understand it and remember it forever. Let's wait for this level. Okay, if we can get this is another trade signal. Okay, everyone has their own choice. This is for educational purposes, but from right here I'm quickly planning for 50 pips will be enough for me, while maybe no selling from there. Okay, no selling, but obviously a breakout retest I can trade. Good bullish momentum. There is a good ABCD pattern on its way, so it makes sense. Okay, even if now I take it 100, now it is the stop loss is bigger. I need to wait for this level. Okay, this level, I'm not sure if it is giving me this level or not, or if it is missed, it is just missed. Okay, no give and take. I'm a very realistic person and I look at these markets with a very realistic approach. The moment we detach ourselves from reality, my friends, that same moment we are going to start towards destruction. Not this. Okay, I'm willing to buy from here if I get a chance. I mean, this momentum already is broken, see, but I think maybe if right here, let's see. Okay, let's wait. Patience will be keep saving us in the market. Yes, if it is a breakout, I just don't want to get involved in the breakout right now. Oh, there is a lot of this stuff going on, so let's delete and clean the chart. These are the bigger H4 support and the resistance levels, and this is as well. See a breakout from a trend and a nice recovery and a pullback. I get a little bit late. Let's see for another recovery. back till here and then we trade it. Okay, and the level is approximately 46.91. okay, yes, HK, I can. Yes, I had a bit of problem in the network, but now it is solved. This is that yesterday thing. Okay, Iceberry, hi. How are you doing? Leave a like on the stream, everyone. Anyone want to trade this breakout with me? Oh, I should have waited a little bit, but no problem. I took this entry on the basis of this bullish engulfing. Okay, let me zoom in. This is a bullish engulfing. Breakout I'm expecting, otherwise I will be stopped out with a 63 pips is too much, my friends. Isn't there a safe place? I want to, like, will be moving this still here, but if it survive. This one seems nice breakout trade to me. I mean, as soon as the London market open in 2 minutes, I think they are going to take it. Good bullish momentum right here already created. Nice expectation I have that it should now break above this. It will break above. As per the ABCD, the take profit comes right here for this particular plan, and the take profit is 284 pips. London opened, no, not yet, 1 minute still left. Now opened, but the initial impression is to the sell side of the market, so let it hit this one, then I enter from here. This will be then the right place for buying. And this same place of my stop loss can also be a good level for another buy, but anyways, let's see. Let's wait for some more candles. Till now so far, just let me know, do you like the streams? Stop loss is 100% gone. First trade of the day will be losing then. Oh, my friend, did you saw something? Volume seems appearing. Let's see if my SL can survive. I mean, bulls say we are here, don't worry. My friends, one thing I want to tell you. Please, please, please have patience. Bring patience in your life. Have you ever seen go to your relative house or somewhere and you see peace everywhere? Same peace you need to bring in your life. A trade opportunity is like let's say I'm a retail trader, so let's say I'm a shopkeeper, I have a shop. So I don't run after customer, the customer will come to me. So for a retail trader, who is the customer? The setup. The right setup is the customer. So we don't run for the right setup. The right setup will automatically come to me. But this belief system, I have to make it, my friend. This is much important. And most traders, they fall here into a trap. Most traders fall here into a trap. Yes, HK. HK, you were not with me in the stream yesterday. Let's wait for the first 5-minute candle. My friend, if it closes as this, consider this SL gone. For sure. This 5-minute candle, okay? Another attempt down, and I think 63 pips this time is gone. I mean, not good bullish volume has been observed on this previous candle compared to this, which means that near this resistance the bulls are like like getting out of pressure. So yes, then obviously it has to drop if the bulls get out of pressure then. This is also a safe buying level, okay? 46.94 scalping one, quickly profits. The right one as per this plan is 46.90. I'll be right back in a moment, okay? Wow, still surviving. Good. But on a micro level, this is not a good level. I cannot easily say that this, okay? Let me check first. See, it broke this tiny place, this level. Let it go back above it. Then we will say that, okay, there is something inside it. Another attempt. Let's see this time what they do. Then it can be as this new one. Bro, understand, okay? Understand this one thing. If one really wants to get something from this market, one has to make or bring passion for the charts, for the candles, for the technical analysis, okay? Brotherly advice I'm giving you. Later you will be then in big trouble, but then nothing will be changed, okay? So better to anyone who is watching me right now who doesn't understand the market makers strategy, MMS, understand it, okay? Market maker strategy is the market structure strategy. MMS and MSS. MMSS. MSSS. One must have to learn it. Thank you, HK. You were not present in the live stream yesterday. Oh, great. I will be resuming that $200 challenge as well. This time a bit more challenging, $150 of challenge in the live streams. So this account I will try to trade in the London session and that one in the NY session. Let's see, okay, or maybe that one I can trade in the yen session. This stop loss, if it is here, then it is good. Here it is anyways compromised, okay. See, there is this thing, let me show you. Right here, when you don't understand the change of the character, I want to tell you that try to read the previous story. So right here, do you see this is the previous high? When market go up there, broke it, another broke it, let it go, and on a retest is a buy. And same happens on the daily chart as well, again and again and again. On the H4 chart it happens, on the every chart it is easily tradable. They want to liquidate this particular area because after all our sell is anyways, the direction is to the sell side. This double top confirmed, and now this really seems more ideal. One minute in the 15-minute candle to close, then we see what it gives us. For today, this is a good selling level and this is a good buying level. This is the projection, okay? This is still the projection. Wow, market is mostly indecisive at this time. Okay, getting into this whole zigzaggy rally, I think it can, we need to, like, wait for this H4 stuff. Right here you see this and this. So gold obviously has created this intraday zone for how many days? Let's see. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. From 3 days. 1, 2, 3. See? So catching other action, I think if I catch it right here, let's see. Okay, let's see. The first trade made moved bad but no problem, and I said it is going to go back up from that level again. Remember, it's better to not trade when you don't understand the market, and that's what happening to me right now. So I'm not more trading, I just want to wait a little bit for the market. Okay, so I will get back to you when the market move a little bit from right here. I think trading right here in this range, sometimes it will be letting me trade that way, sometimes this way. So better to go away from the chart in such situations. Okay, and follow the part 1 stream 104. Okay, in that there is this visible stuff going on, but I just don't want to get involved myself right now, because there is on the H4 clear indecision I will be discussing today in the NY session. So make sure to not miss that, and these trends and these this range I will also be discussing with all of you. So yes, take care, and see you. For educational purposes I'm running these videos, but later if you guys don't like education or something, you tell me right here. Okay, HK and all of you right here with me, Iceberry, everyone, just let me know in the chat what's the problem of the traders, that they, whether they only, like, my perception about the live streams is now these days in such a way that I think that most of the traders, like, don't want to improve, they just rely on others. They don't want to learn. For me this is very much important, because there are concepts that I will be discussing, I will be teaching. See, I'm planning all of this stuff for all of you. Okay, all of this stuff. Look at it, look at it. Yes, my friend, when a person doesn't understand what this market is doing right now, so leave it then. Huh? Why you are getting married to it? Huh? If I say no, my formula tells me that, and there are the ABCD patterns do this mistake. What mistake they do? They say no, okay, if this is a this, now I'm 100% holding this. This is a mistake, my friends. And what I do, I book my share. I have already decided that this much is my profit, I take it and leave. I don't want to become greedy, because my friends, remember, the moment a person gets greedy in the market, that same moment a losing streak starts. Okay, Now every person should understand their own self, that how much greedy I am. Previous Friday, you will remember, previous Thursday, I took a bad trade, lost around 1000 pips on that. On Friday, I came and announced in public and said that let's analyze this particular trade. Why this trade happened? What were the reasons? And can you believe I spent around 1 hour in the London session, and hardly that session was watched by 90 people. So then I'm curious, what is happening to these people? Is it because I don't show you or I don't create the hype, or I don't show you the Ferrari, the Lamborghinis and the super, like you name it, or the hi-fi lifestyle? Ice very well, since I have discussed, I don't understand it much on the lower time frames, okay? Even on the higher time frames, it is slightly going like my formula is advising some patience, okay? Because big stuff is expected, very big I mean, and my formula, see, it tells us this. Which one is bigger? I think that will win, but sometimes the smaller one wins. So in such situations, I probably wait to understand the market a little bit, to finally find out that okay, after all, what this market wants to do. If it comes to scalping right now, I can scalp, but my friends, just scalping is not the solution, okay? I did one scalping, it didn't work well. But if it didn't work well, so obviously it tells me to stay a little bit. And now I think on the M30 it seems a good sell, but to me, when I don't understand it, I say I don't see anything. When I was new on YouTube, I had built a community, such a beautiful community, beautiful likes they gave me, literally everything. These days I have got such a community that first they are not coming and showing interest in the strategy themselves. Oh my friend, if one is not showing interest in the strategy, how come that possible that person becomes a good trader? Good and successful trader is not possible without learning. What are you saying, my friends? There are a lot of the things that we need to understand. A lot of the things we need to understand in this market. It's not as just buy or just sell or this and that. Nah, my friend. It's not as that. It's a beautiful market, and we need to treat it beautifully, because those who treat it badly, then this market give them a lesson. This market do what? This market gives them a lesson. Such a lesson that then the traders remember it forever and ever, not getting rid of that lesson, okay? So understand what I'm saying. Because if now you don't understand, then when will you understand? Just tell me this. If now you don't understand, you don't become a good trader, then time is running out from your hands. What's next then? Time is then running out of your hands. So learning is the key. And remember my friends, if I'm coming live right here, it doesn't mean I have free time or this and that. I really feel that this strategy should reach to a broader people. Here I will be going for 47.14, a quick scalping sell maybe, if it is confirmed. And a quick buy from here. Now I will be selling near 47.30 if I get a chance, if this really continues to the top, because this level finally is broken. Are you holding anything on AUD, Euro AUD Iceberry? If you do hold something, then I can analyze for fresh opportunities. I'm in an active trade at the moment. No. See, this M30 is closing, so it can come back down till here again and stop me out. So this will be then the right stop loss for it. Let's see in 1 minute. Throughout the day we will be observing this trend line, okay? This one, this you see, and it can also now show me this. Sort of reversal. Wow, nicely moving in my favor. Oh, this is H4 high, my friend. How can I expect an H4 high breakout? No. This is just a guess if I say it is breaking the on the H4. How do I know? On the lower time frames, yes, I will be keep holding. But let's see if a double top forms here, then you guys book your profits, okay? 40 pips, book it, okay? Rest of the day is left. My move is a little bit bigger, but I'm not sure because right here is the H4 high. This is a critical zone, by the way. Yes, so but this one high it has broken already. I need a break above this level. $81 pips it's giving. If you guys have not booked it, please you can book, okay? Don't be too greedy. This candle can collapse anytime, okay? Seems steady on the 1 minute. Wow, I mean literally wow. So on the H4, my friend, this is a bullish pattern. If you are not booking, at least move your stop to break even, okay? Don't be too greedy. Breakout has occurred on the 1 minute. Okay, but there is this little ABCD pattern, so I will first see the reaction right here. Okay, right here. With break even, I'm holding 250 pips of an opinion. So let's see what happens. can be a false one. Okay, 97 pips I'm booking. Okay. Now you guys tell me, made something or not, just tell me. Do you like this strategy or not? Also tell me this. How beautiful strategy I bring for you. And despite of it, if you don't show any interest with learning, then my friend, I will take it on my heart, obviously. Like, this is a universal truth. Okay, this is a universal truth. This is a universal truth, my friend. Let's I thought I will be bringing a community where I will share this M15 strategy with everyone. M15 I have not shared till now so far. Not at all, not even with the pro members. M15 no. This one thing should remain with me. There are a lot of the, like, when I do these lines and stuff, I am like, for privacy reasons, cannot go completely trans like transparent, you can say. I will need to censor things. I tell those things, but in another way. Out there, those who are losing on consistent basis, oh my god, if they find about my channel, oh, they will be crazy coming to me. But I also think like maybe the people are now addicted to losses as well. When they don't have a loss, they are not happy. Yes. Now I have a question from all three of you. Why this channel might not be growing? Huh? Why? Oof, this candle if close, the next candle come back down, and from right here I will be attacking for a buy. But my friend, I'm giving the honest and pro stuff already, and now I should do it by force. You guys tell me, just forget about others. Are you making any profit out of it or not? Three of you are watching me right now. If not, so I can change it a little bit so that you can copy or whatever nicely. But one thing I have observed, if my chart is as this and if I trade from now on, what do you say? Because I can trade a necked chart. Okay everyone, see you in the NY session. Right? Bye bye.